Okay, so we are group 8 and we are creating a combination between a social media platform and Rijks Museum application. We have a lot of cool new stuff added from last time, so let's start. As you can see, I have loaded the application. I haven't logged in yet. Let me just reload it just to be safe. Okay, so I have loaded the application. I haven't logged in yet. I can explore and share my thoughts, so I can try to comment or try to like this picture, but as you can see, if I try to post my comment here on this picture, I'll get a not logged in alert. So from here I can log in or I can sign up. I don't have an account yet, so I want to sign up. Okay, so I provide some example email, and let's say that I am the user John Smith. I have a personal description here, so I am the user John Smith, who is a young student interested in art. How much do I know about art? Well, I am new to the world of art, but I want to learn more. I give some password and then I can sign up. So you successfully signed up, alert, and then we can log in. We use the email that we used for signing up, and now we are logged in. As you can see here, it says John Smith on our profile. So now we already can comment on different pictures, as you can see here. Something extremely important, which I will show you here, because we are having some difficulties and some bugs, but yeah, I will tell you about them a bit later on. So if I click on the profile here, as you can see, I can see my own profile. This is of course not done yet, but as you can see, I am John Smith. I am a young student interested in art and personal assessment of art knowledge. I am new to the world of art. So as you can see here, I can see artworks liked by John Smith and commented artworks by John Smith. So if I explore this, I can see that this is indeed commented by John Smith. I'm showing you this here because if you just wait for 1 second, yes, I am back on the newsfeed. Okay, so I am a young student and I want to find out more about the artworks that I'm looking at. The best way I can do this is by reading comments and shared thoughts by experts. So there are experts in Rijks Social. There are people who have been engaging and learning about art for quite some time, and I want basically to see their comments on the artworks which are in the museum and to gain some insights from those comments. How can I do that? Well, imagine now that I am Mrs. Maria Torres, and I am a painter and a girl of art. How much do I know about art? I have relatively large experience with and knowledge about art. So I give my password and I sign up. Then again I log in, and as you can see, I am Mrs. Maria Torres right now. So as an expert on art, I can again share my thoughts here. So I will give my insight here and I'll post it. And only naturally I will receive a great number of likes, because I have either provided some interesting background story, or I have just shared knowledge which wasn't present in Rijks Studio before that. And after that, when Mr. John Smith, who is new to art, opens this artwork, he will see my comment, he will see that I have many likes, he can open my profile, he can see that I have relatively large experience with and knowledge about art, and then he can see the artworks that I have commented on. And then when he opens them, he can basically learn about each of the artworks on which I have left comment, and he can gain very precious insight basically from me. So here I'm sharing my knowledge to him. Of course, there will be many artworks for which I don't know much, and I will want knowledge from other people, even bigger experts than me. So this is the main advantage of our application. There is a lot of work to be done from now on, but we have a clear path ahead, and it is to of course fix the current bugs, which are not one or two, and provide the following functions. So basically, if I'm John Smith, I can just follow Mrs. Maria Torres and I can see all her new comments and new liked artworks. And yes, this is for now. Thank you very much.